Let's practice one more, one less. What is one less of 44? What is one more of 44? One less of 44 is 43. One more of 44 is 45. One less of 15 is 14. One more of 15 is 16. Try these. One less of 52 is 51. One more of 52 is 53. One less of 33 is 32. One more of 33 is 34. One less of 64 is 63. One more of 64 is 65.
Greater than, less than, equal to. Numbers have a some value. Some are more and some are less. Let's compare one more, one less.
For more educational resources, visit the Green Chalkboard store on TPT. You can also visit my blog, firstuserheroes.blog, and follow me on Pinterest at the Green Chalkboard 1. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.